Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get Singapore WhatsApp number. So I'll put the link on the description below. The site link is on the description below. So once you click the link, it will direct you to here, the service page. So here you can select anything you want to use the number for. For example, let's go for WhatsApp. Let's select WhatsApp. The next step is to select country. So we are going to search for Singapore. Once you select Singapore, you see the amount $27.6. Click on activate. Then you sign up. So make sure you use the link in the description below so you can get a discount. So you sign up, you input your email, then you input your password and click on sign up. Click on sign up. Okay, sign up completed. So you verify your email. A link will be sent to your email, then click on verify. So email address verified. So the next step is to fund your account. You fund your account with either Visa or MasterCard, cryptocurrency, pay any amount, any payment gateway you want to fund your account with. So let's fund it with $50. Okay, follow the procedure. Click on add fund. Then you add your fund. So once the fund has been added, you will see the amount on your dashboard. So you can go back to the service. You can go back to the service and select the Singapore WhatsApp. You click on continue. Is 27.6. Okay, it's activating. Let's wait for it. So the site is going to provide us with a particular Singapore number. So this is the number. So you have to copy it and use it to activate your WhatsApp. Go back to your WhatsApp business or WhatsApp or normal WhatsApp, input the number. So they will send code to the WhatsApp. So after, okay, this is the code. So you put the code on your WhatsApp. So after putting the code, your Singapore WhatsApp is ready. So let's check the WhatsApp out on you can see the number there, the same number. So this is how you get Singapore number or WhatsApp. So I will leave the link on the description below where you can get your Singapore number. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye.